In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a Magic Boxes activity in Edvento. From your teacher dashboard, click the Create New Activity button. This will take you to the Activities page. Here, you'll see 3 categories of activities. Find the Live Activities section. Locate the Magic Boxes activity card. Move your mouse over the card. The card will flip over. Click the Create Game button. A new pop-up window will appear. Type a name for your activity. For this tutorial, I'll call it Magic Boxes. Now click Create Activity. The Magic Boxes activity creation page is now open. The first thing I'd like to do is change the background image. To do that, click the Theme button on the top navigation bar. A collection of background images will appear. Choose any background you like. Once you've selected your background, scroll down. You'll notice that the page is divided into 2 columns. The left column is where you create and edit your boxes. The right column displays all the boxes you've already created. Let's create our first box. In the left column, find the Add Box Question field. Type your question. For example, tell us one thing that you engaged with during today's lesson. If you'd like, you can also add media to your box. Click the Add Media button. You can upload an image, audio file, or video file. For this example, I'll upload an image from my computer. Once everything is ready, scroll to the bottom of the left column. Click the Save Box button. Your first box is now saved. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your newly created box in the list. It displays the question together with the media you added. To create another box, simply repeat the same process. Add another question, upload an image, audio, or video if needed. Then click Save Box again. Repeat these steps until you've created all the boxes you need. When you've finished creating your activity, go to the top navigation bar. Click the red Save button. Your Magic Boxes activity is now saved and ready to use.